Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by creating or gathering transparent PNG images because Notability treats them as images rather than native stickers. This gives crisp edges and layering control. Once done, save them to files or photos so you can import quickly from the image tool. Make sure sizes are reasonable. Very large PNGs slow the app, and name files clearly so you can find them during a session. This preparation step speeds the rest of the workflow and prevents layout surprises later. You tap the image tool in Notability and choose files or photos to import your prepared PNG sticker. Once imported, drag to position, pinch to resize, and rotate with 2 fingers for natural placement. Because these are images, you can double tap to duplicate or use copy/paste to repeat stickers quickly. This is faster than re-importing. Also, place stickers on a separate note layer or page area so you can move groups together. This makes later edits smoother and keeps composition balanced. You finish by locking stickers when positioned to prevent accidental moves during note-taking. Tap the sticker, select Lock. If you need adjustments, use the image crop or the eraser in small strokes to trim edges, then unlock to reposition. If a sticker fails to import, make sure it's a PNG with transparency, under about 5 MB, and saved in an accessible files/photos location. Restarting Notability or resaving the PNG often fixes stubborn import issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.